Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching my video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the notification bell. And this is amala and egusi soup. Okay, so join us as we are about to eat our food. Thank you.
Viewers, join us.
What
we're about to eat now is
amala
millet with cassava flour, fermented cassava flour. So this is egusi soup. So egusi with hospital tufa and bitter leaf,
chicken,
goats,
fish,
salmon, a lot with cow skin. So join us.
So, beautiful people, as you could see, we are done eating. Okay, this is where
Viewers, as you can see, we have done justice to the food. So
this is very
this is the remainder, you know. So delicious. So viewers, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to share.
Yes, tell me what you think about this video. Bye.
Bye.
Manuela say bye.
Manuela say bye.
Bye bye.
Philly, bye bye.
Subscribe.
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 Bye.